Car shakes. When in reverse, comprehensive guide to common issues and solutions. If you've noticed your car shaking when you put it in reverse, you're not alone. This common issue can stem from various causes, ranging from minor to severe. Experiencing this shaking can be both frustrating and concerning, but understanding the potential reasons behind it can help you address the problem effectively. Welcome to Auto V-Fix, your go-to YouTube channel for everything automotive. In today's detailed video, we'll provide a comprehensive guide that explores potential causes and offers detailed solutions to help you effectively address this problem. One, engine and transmission mounts. Engine and transmission mounts are designed to secure these heavy components to the vehicle's frame while also absorbing vibrations. Over time, these mounts can wear out or become damaged. Symptoms: excessive engine movement during gear changes, particularly noticeable when shifting into reverse. Inspection: look for signs of wear such as cracks, tears, or collapsed rubber. In severe cases, you may notice the engine tilting or sagging. Solution: replace worn or damaged mounts. This job typically requires lifting the engine slightly and is best performed by a professional mechanic. 2. Transmission issues. Various transmission problems can lead to shaking when in reverse. Symptoms: vibrations, difficulty shifting, slipping gears, or unusual noises. Potential causes: low transmission fluid. Check the fluid level and condition. If it's low, top it up. If it's dark or smells burnt, a fluid change may be necessary. Slipping clutch, manual transmissions. This can cause shuddering and loss of power. Faulty torque converter, automatic transmissions, may cause shaking or shuddering, especially at low speeds. Solution: regular transmission maintenance is key. For complex issues, consult a transmission specialist for diagnosis and repair. 3. CV joints. Constant velocity. CV. Joints allow power to be transmitted to the wheels while accommodating changes in angle. Symptoms: clicking noises when turning, vibrations that increase with speed, and grease on the inside edge of the tire. Inspection: look for torn CV joint boots, which can allow dirt and moisture to enter the joint. Solution: if caught early, simply replacing the boot may suffice. However, if the joint is already damaged, full replacement is necessary. 4. Brake system. Brake system issues can cause vibrations that are particularly noticeable when reversing. Symptoms: pulsating brake pedal, vibrations during braking, or squealing noises. Potential causes: warped rotors, can occur due to overheating or uneven wear. Unevenly worn brake pads. This may result from sticking brake calipers or improper previous installation. Solution: have the brake system inspected. Resurfacing the rotors may solve minor warping, but severe cases require rotor replacement. Always replace brake pads in pairs. 5. Wheels and tires. Wheel and tire issues are common culprits for vibrations. Symptoms: vibrations that change with speed, uneven tire wear. Potential causes: unbalanced wheels, can occur over time or after tire replacement. Uneven tire wear, often caused by alignment issues or failure to rotate tires regularly. Damaged wheels, bends or dents from hitting potholes or curbs. Solution: balance wheels regularly, typically every 5,000, 8,000 miles, or when installing new tires. Maintain proper wheel alignment and rotate tires according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Replace damaged wheels or tires that cannot be repaired. 6. Suspension problems. The suspension system is crucial for a smooth ride and proper vehicle control. Symptoms: bouncy ride, nose diving when braking, uneven tire wear. Potential causes: worn shock absorbers or struts, cannot effectively dampen vibrations. Damaged springs, can cause the vehicle to sit unevenly. Worn bushings allow for excessive movement in suspension components. Solution: inspect the suspension system regularly. Replace worn components as necessary. This often requires specialized tools and knowledge. So, professional help is recommended. 7. Exhaust system issues. A compromised exhaust system can cause vibrations and increased noise. Symptoms: increased engine noise and vibrations felt through the floorboard. Potential causes: loose exhaust components. Hangers or clamps may deteriorate over time. Damaged muffler or pipes. Rust or impact damage can create holes. Solution: inspect the entire exhaust system for damage. Tighten loose components and replace damaged parts as necessary. 8. Drive shaft. The drive shaft transmits power from the transmission to the differential in rear-wheel and four-wheel drive vehicles. Symptoms: vibrations that change with vehicle speed, clunking noises. Potential causes: bent drive shaft. This can occur from impact damage. Worn universal joints allow for excessive movement. Unbalanced drive shaft. This can occur if weights fall off or the shaft is bent. Solution: professional inspection and repair are typically necessary. This may involve balancing, straightening, or replacing the drive shaft. 9. Differential problems. The differential allows the wheels to rotate at different speeds when turning. Symptoms: whining noises, vibrations that change with vehicle speed. Potential causes: worn bearings can cause excessive play in the gears. Low differential fluid leads to inadequate lubrication and increased wear. Solution: regular differential fluid changes can prevent many issues. For worn components, professional repair is necessary. 10. U-joints. Universal joints allow the drive shaft to flex as the suspension moves. Symptoms: clunking noises, especially when shifting from drive to reverse. Vibrations at higher speeds. Inspection: look for rust, corrosion, or movement in the joint when the drive shaft is rotated by hand. Solution: worn U-joints should be replaced. This typically requires removing the drive shaft and is best done by a professional. When to seek professional help. If you're unable to identify the cause of the shaking or lack the tools and expertise to address the issue, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. They can perform a comprehensive diagnosis using specialized equipment and provide expert repairs. By understanding these common causes and solutions, you can better maintain your vehicle and ensure a smoother, safer driving experience, even when reversing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, happy driving.